everyone! In this video, let's learn how to make flower buds. I'll show you two very simple methods which you can use for almost every flower. Now let's look at the materials you will need for this session. You will need a ruler, a pair of scissors, marker, glue, cotton balls, colored crepe papers to make the flower petals, green floral tapes for the sepals and stems, and wires to make the stems. Let's now make some preparations. You have to take the cotton balls, apply some glue on it, and wrap it around the wire. And then gently press it till it roughly gains the shape of a small flower bud. Now cut out a few strips of square paper. Stretch one pair of opposite ends and then apply glue on it. And then wrap it around the cotton ball stem we have prepared before. And there you have a very easy flower bud design that can be made from a cotton ball. We are now going to learn to make another flower bud, and this too is from using a cotton ball. Now I'm choosing another color for our second design today. Keep watching the video to understand how to do that. I hope that you all love these designs. In the next session, we'll start making flowers from crepe paper. See you all there. Bye for now.